99% of people don't know this. Glass skin routine for beginners to get the most plumped and hydrated skin ever. First step is double cleansing, starting with an oil cleanser. But if you're acne prone, choose one that won't clog your pores. The most recommended one is the Anua cleansing oil, which has no pore clogging ingredients. This cleanser is going to help dissolve any oil-based impurities, and it's actually going to draw out sebaceous filament. Try focusing on your T area for 3 to 4 minutes to clear all the pores. Next step is to go in with a water-based cleanser, which is going to really ensure any oil-based residue is completely removed. The Pore Deep Cleansing Foam is so good for cleaning out pores. This has heart leaf powder and salicylic acid to remove excess sebum and dead skin cells, and it leaves the skin feeling so clean and smooth without stripping it. Immediately after cleansing, use a hydrating toner. This step is essential because it's actually going to help boost the absorption of serums. The Tier Milky Toner is soothing, brightening, and will leave you with the most radiant glow. After that, while your skin is still slightly damp, we'd recommend to use the Anua Dark Spot Correcting Serum that has 10% niacinamide to help strengthen the skin barrier, and there's also 4% tranexamic acid to fade dark spots and promote an even skin tone. It's a good one for all skin types, even sensitive ones. Lastly, finish the whole routine with a moisturizer on slightly damp skin to really lock in hydration. We'd recommend the I'm From Rice Cream, which is a very nourishing and soothing cream that locks in moisture, strengthens skin, and it actually helps to control serum